How's it going, guys? Today we'll be installing the Tremor Valance on a 21 Ford F350 Platinum FX4. As you guys can see, that's how they come stock. This is what we're going to be installing. As you guys can see, there's 17 small bolts that need to be removed. Show you guys over here. And then also those brackets down below as well will be removed. As you guys can see, I removed the stock valance. These brackets will be also removed, so you're able to install this with a clean look. You got those two bolts right there, and then you got two on the other side as well that need to get removed. I removed this one already. That's how it looks, so make sure you do that. Here's the final look. I ended up using an 8mm socket for the valance bolts and an 18mm for the bracket bolts that I had to get removed.